Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out the early morning vlog. Appreciate your time and your support. Sitting in the parking lot of Taco Bell, which is over to my left. Got a couple burritos for lunch, and I've treated myself to a Diet Mountain Dew, which is not something I drink a lot of because there's a lot of sugar. But it's a treat, so I'm going to enjoy this treat. Came across some information last night over at Android Authority. It says here this article came out 14 hours ago, and other websites are reporting the same thing. So I just wanted to read this to all of you. Since we're getting very close to Google I/O, May 10th, 2023. I'm excited. I'm sure a lot of you are as well. But this is concerning the Pixel A series. Android Authority, let's see here. Pixel 7a could mark the end of Google's A series phones as we know it. The Pixel 8a existence could depend on the sales of the Pixel 7a. We're only days away from Google I/O event, where there's a good chance the company will officially reveal the Google Pixel 7a, but could the Pixel 7a be Google's swan song for its A series phones? The answer may be a little complicated. Back in December, Android Authority worked with a trustworthy source to reveal Google's Pixel roadmap. What we learned from that leak is that Google could be rethinking its A series strategy. Based on the information we know, there's a plan for a Pixel 8a, and it has the code name Akita. However, whether the Pixel 8a gets released or not may ultimately depend on the sales of the Pixel 7a. Now, tipster Yogesh Brar seems fairly certain the Pixel 7a will be the last of its kind. On Twitter, Brar claims that the end is nigh for the A series, and Google will simply go forward with just the vanilla Pixel and the Pro model and the Fold series. Instead of outright ending the A series, as Brar suggests could happen, our source said that Google could move to a biannual release schedule. Our guess is that the tech giant could even choose to change the name of the line. Although our source didn't mention this, if the name does change, it would effectively mean the A series is gone. But the line would still be the mid-tier budget phone Pixel owners know and have come to really, really love. So there are other articles talking about the same information. Some of them a little bit more in depth, but basically what I just read you is what you're going to read as well at these other websites. That's what I wanted to share with you this morning. Feedback on that. What are your thoughts? What do you think Google has in plan? And I'm sure that a lot of us sort of knew at the back of our minds that this is something that was going to happen. All good things do come to an end. At some point, these budget mid-tier devices aren't so much budget mid-tier. You look at the 7a having the Gen 2 Tensor chipset. I mean, these are flagship chipsets. The user experience, just so fluid these days in these smartphones. You don't need a flagship device. You don't. The thing is, at the end of the day, you just don't need a flagship. I bring them in because it's what I do here on my Project 13. But you know, there are so many phones to choose from out there at mid-tier level that I'm going to have a flagship experience. And you know that as well as I know that. Okay, but some of us don't care about those mid-tier. We want the best of the best, and so that the flagships are there for that purpose. If you want everything that you should get for the money that you pay for flagship devices, then hey, it's your money. But we don't really need that. We don't. We can get through our days, just fine with a mid-range flagship smartphone. Whether it's you're spending 5, 6, or 7, you don't need to buy a phone that costs $1,000 plus. Looking forward to the Google Pixel Fold. Hopefully, that's not going to be any more than $1,500. We'll find out May 10th. But that's just something we're going to be seeing going forward for a while from Google, I'm sure. So yeah, I'm excited about that. And but anyway, wanted to share this with you. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks for being part of the team. If you're not, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you do not miss a video. Hit the thumbs up and share the videos on your social media. With that, I'm going to head out. I'm going to eat one of my burritos from Taco Bell here and enjoy a little bit of my Mountain Dew diet, my treat. Oh, this stuff wakes me up. There's a lot of sugar. Anyway, there was something else I wanted to mention and I forgot. I just forgot. Anyway, God bless you all. Peace.